Hey, what's up everybody? Brian here, and I want to take a moment. Hey, one of the things that I think this quarantine will prevent many people from doing is taking communion as a family. And so at Point Harbor on Wednesday, April the 8th, we're going to have a Seder. If you don't know what a Seder is, look it up and make sure that you jump on our Point Harbor page at 7 p.m. next Wednesday, April the 8th, before Easter. And you do not want to miss what is going to happen. We're going to have an incredible time as we go through the Passover with a Messianic Jew leading us. And then at the end, we get to take communion together. And so we got to thinking, how do we do this? How can we take communion together being in quarantine and these house orders that we have now? And so we are going to give you a recipe on how to make unleavened bread, how to make the bread that was in the Bible, which was unleavened, in your own homes. And I have a very special guest with me tonight, my daughter Emma Ray, and we are going to have some fun and take you through the steps of making unleavened bread. It's super easy. You guys ready? Let's do this. All right, step number one here, wash your hands. Step number two, preheat your oven to 475, as hot as it will go. Step number three, gather your ingredients. The first thing you need is a mixing bowl. The second thing you need is 1 cup of all-purpose flour. If you are gluten-free or have a special diet, you can use almond flour or coconut flour. Number 3 is 1/3 cup of water. Number 4 is some non-stick cooking spray. And number 5 is obviously a pan to put your bread on. Step number 4 is going to be to mix our ingredients together. First off, you're going to pour your flour into your mixing bowl. And then slowly pour your water in, making a consistency that becomes somewhat sticky, but also in a way that you can put it into a ball. Emma Ray is going to mix that in together, pour a little bit more water. Pour your water. Pour your water. Just flatten it out as flat as you can get it.
Step 5. Now you want to spray the pan with your spraying or your non-stick spray.
Spray it however you feel. Can't mess this up. Okay, that's good. We're going to take our dough and actually split it in half here because it's kind of falling apart. So there's really no perfect way to do this. Have some fun with your kids as you do it. It's going to be an incredible time together. So our oven's preheated now at 475. We're going to put this in for about 8 to 10 minutes. We'll keep a close eye on it.
Check your bread after 8 to 10 minutes, and if it starts browning on the edges, it should be ready to take out. Make sure you turn the oven off. And now you can enjoy. Well, not really, but still. And that is how you make unleavened bread.
Yeah, hey, we would love for you to join us Wednesday, April the 8th for our Seder as we lead you guys into communion. It's going to be an incredible opportunity for you to really sit down with your kids and do this as a family in your own home. Don't miss out on this. We can't wait to do this together.